at 200 yards, get ready to shoot SK long range match out of my Savage MKII BTV. And the fog finally lifted. Let's get to shooting. Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Today we're shooting 200 yards with my Savage MKII BTV. Get her dialed in for parallax. The parallax turret on this optic is accurate and true. All right, we have a lot of room. We will dial up 7.2. Let's just see whereabouts we end up with that. I'm just gonna aim for dead center. And we'll do 5 to 10 shots for sighters and fouling, and then we'll do 4 10-shot groups. Holding dead center. Here we go. There we go. That was our dry fire practice. Here we go. Not sure where that went. Maybe I'll try going up to 8. It shouldn't be that cool that we need that much elevation for now, but okay, so we're shooting still a little bit low and a lot right, so I'll do 5 shots. We're wrecking all our targets on the far right side so far. Oh yeah, we had 4 on target and 1 off. So now, what I'll do is I'll dial, and I'll get us on target on that bottom target there. So we're gonna come down, or go up, I mean. So our 8-1 for elevation. And we should be on target now. So I'm going to shoot the bottom right target for 5. Okay, so we are on target now. I will shoot 10 shots on the top left target. We'll go from there. Okay, well, that's pretty much MOA group. I can't believe that. So I'll do one more 10 shot and then we'll do a 20. Be perfect. So my next 10, I'm gonna aim at the center square, the next line above it. That's my intersection I'm aiming at. In the last group, I'll do 20 on the bottom left. Here we go. That was way high. That was just about point of aim, point of impact. Same with that. This thing shoots amazing. Okay, that is very, very impressive. Like, my God, can't ask for anything better than that out of a $600 rifle. That's crazy good accuracy. Like, I think this thing is actually shooting better than my CZs and my Bergaras. It's probably really close to 1 MOA at 200 yards with long range match. Like, I don't know. I might make this my new competition rifle. You don't need to go with all the big high-end stuff or higher end stuff. This thing is a tack driver. The action is starting to smooth out. I've got, I guess, probably 200 or 300 rounds through it now. I've been plinking a lot with it because it's so accurate. And with this Vortex Viper PST Gen 2 on top, I can actually see the target at 200 yards and I can actually dial. But I think I only have just over 9 mils of travel with this setup right now. So I'm not sure if there's any 20 or 30 or 40 MOA bases, but I could probably use a good 30 MOA to be able to dial this thing out to longer ranges, because basically 200 yards is our max right now. So our last group, we'll shoot the bottom left target for 20 shots. Let's go. Let's get her done. Oh no, starting to open up huge. And I'll do 10 more shots, even though that one has opened up greatly. All right, here we go. 10 more shots, same hold. Last shot. Well, we opened her up to about 2 MOA. Looks about 4 inches. But very, very impressive. So let's go take a look at our target and see how we did. So here we have our 200-yard Savage MKII BTV target with the SK long range match, and it actually did pretty good. First 5 shots where we actually grouped is 2.77, so just around 1.3 MOA. Pretty solid. Group number 2, 10 shots up here, and that one went down to 2.6 inches, so 1.26 MOA. Then we did another 10 shot group right here, and that one measured 2.94 inches or 1.4 MOA. Then we did our 20 shot group right here. That was 4.7 inches or 2.25 MOA. So that's our target. Let's get back to the video. Well, there you have it, guys. This thing is very impressive for the price. Like, you can't go wrong with it. I might actually start looking at more of these little inexpensive rifles, because they really do shoot very well. As you can see there at 200 yards, I just had to feed it some little bit higher end ammo, not just CCI standard velocity, but yeah, this stuff here shoots very well. 200 yards, like, you can't complain with that. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you all next week. Take care. Bye for now.